Alright guys, thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today I'm working on my 2001 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 V8. I love this thing. It's got like 260K on it. I'm going to be doing the PCV valve. How about that so you can see it? Real fast, real simple, real easy. I believe the design on the year preceding this one, it's built into the valve cover. And I've always wondered, I don't have one, and I don't know, but an idea, maybe you can get a valve cover off of one of these engines and put it on to there in its place. So you can replace the PCV valve much easier, cheaper, more frequently, but that's just my take on that one. So this is how to replace the PCV valve on the 5.3 4.8 liter motors from 99-ish, I believe, up until 05, 07-ish when they went to the built-in PCV valve on the driver's side valve cover. Here we go. Super simple. Which would be the best way for you to see it? Right there in the back. Do you see that? That's it. So just pull it out. Step one, pull out PCV. Hopefully you see that. So now you have the PCV valve out. Might be able to do this with one hand. See that? I just pulled it out with one hand. That's it. Super easy. I'm telling you, everything is easy if you try. Alright, so here's the new one. And there will be a link in the description below to where to buy one if you don't have one yet. So here's the old one. It's probably good, but better safe than sorry. And the new one. Stick it on in, like so. And now, right back in. So now, your positive crankcase fumes will ventilate through your PCV valve, come back up this hose right here, and go back into the intake to be burnt. So your PCV valve really does need to work good. That's it. I'm on my hands and knees. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And that's it on the PCV valve this one. Thank you.